My name is Julia Lee. I'm an interior designer at BBID.
So Julia, what's one thing that you want in your home? If you were designing a home for you with no budget, what's one thing that you would definitely want to include?
I love to have like reading room.
Yeah, reading room. Would it be like a tea room or just like a reading room?
/ tea
room?
over coffee.
Yeah.
And also the swimming pool.
Oh yeah. Okay, now we're talking. Yeah. What is your favorite color? What color would you like? What color would you like if you had to pick a color? Which is hard since we are beyond beige, but if you had to pick a color, what color would you pick?
Rainbow.
Rainbow? Oh, that's a great way.
It's really hard to pick one.
Yeah.
Blue is grown in me.
Right?
Yeah.
Blue's really grown on me
wasn't
too.
Really,
I never liked
color,
blue at all, actually, very much.
The
So
last few years.
yeah, I really like it as well. Yeah, there's such a nice range of blues, right? And what would you say is your favorite food?
People call me crazy noodle head.
Crazy noodle head.
Noodles.
Yeah,
yes.
just noodles. Yeah, it was, I've witnessed your love affair with noodles.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Is there a designer or even just like a person that you really admire?
You?
Good answer. You can stay.
Can I have rice?
Yeah, right. So, besides me.
She's really popular. Kelly, so
Yeah.
I think the patterns she used.
Yeah, she's
So
so
brave.
fearless with
what
colors. Yeah, Kelly Wursler is
want to
just
improve.
right. Yeah, it's just the fearlessness. Is this the finishing touch to your donut?
No, not quite.
No, you're gonna
Not
keep
quite
going.
yet.
Yeah, you've got a long ways to go.